Yeah. Put your hands up. Yeah, let me feel it. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. That old school hip hop. Pump it and then you gently. Watch.
Yeah. What?
Yeah, get it.
Stay for the clouds, coming live from the underground. I need something more influential. For some rappers every morning, let me bring some clarity to your day. The girl doesn't exist, no virtues for government. Gravity angels from the universal cosmos. The lines began to the global conflict, accurate observation of the heavens. We're all aligned to the sun. We see at a high degree, especially in the midst of the mid-winter. Become more aware of where you're from. I earn my wings, I stay above ground. I'm not no hypocrite, I'm 100% against politics. Those things don't exist to me, I keep it gently. I'm thinking of heavy, legendary harmony. The people stay walking out consumer stores in your city. I let my voice be heard, this is freedom of speech. I'm speaking freely.
Yeah. Check it. Yo, best believe my stilo isn't ordinary. Not a single person in this world is like me. Cause I rap stories when expressing my thoughts. I brought the revolution of today's rap. We weren't always on the attack, it was just kept on the low note. These wannabe MCs give hip hop no hope. We decided to overthrow the industry for something lies. Like they say, ignorance is bliss. Writing irrelevant lyrics will get you dismissed. Being creative, manifesting art, yes, we're gifted. I'm only using my talent, I'm being realistic. Rap being something different, and I'm the change. Paying you to these astral planes. Oh my goodness. Taking on my trip past these astral planes. Don't make concern of my fans who hear what I have to say. Cause I'm the only rapper in the game who's not to blame. For staying true to themselves instead of wanting fame. I concentrate on the love of the art. To not break hip hop and die apart. Look, I've always made it. The majority thought it was all a dream. Well, here it is, becoming a reality. I need a moment of clarity. I have no clue what to do. Don't have stepping when I'm teaching you. Truth be told.
When I say hip, y'all say hop. Hip hop. When I say hip, y'all say hop. Hip hop. Yeah. I go by the name of Eddie Gently, a prophet. This is Undiscovered Mystery. City of Rialto, can I hear it? Thank you very much.